Hi, beautiful people. My name is Tanya Rangiova, and I'm a Reiki master teacher at tanyareiki.com. And I'm also the founder of StressAway.me, which is a corporate wellness platform on demand. I wanted to talk about Reiki today, and particularly about Reiki classes, something that I offer at the Radiance Wellness Spa. I've been offering for more than a year. I've been interested in spirituality for over 10 years since I was little, and in the beginning, I started reading books in Eastern Europe and tried to explain the universe through books. And then later on, I've started experiencing different spiritual practices from meditation to breath work through energy healing. And now I'm a Reiki teacher, and I've been amazed by the power of Reiki. I've sent distant Reiki to my father, who helped him heal from gallbladder stones through distant Reiki. I've also sent distant Reiki to my friends in Bulgaria and helped them heal with, like, when they had a toothache. Um, I've done a lot of healings on friends and clients, from insomnia to headaches, but the most impactful experience for me, I would say, has been just listening to my students and how Reiki is changing their life. Because to me, to be able to teach someone is the most profound experience you can have and the most impact you can have.
Hello, I'm Diana Relis, the founder and owner of Radiance Wellness Spa. Talking about energy makes me excited. Everything is energy, everything is connected, every body is connected. We can ignore it or we can work with it and benefit. So it's one of my favorite subjects to talk about. I worked in energy with energy healing for about 26 years now. My kids are very well aware of that. I raised them with very natural approach, energy healing, garlic, potato compresses, you name it. How I incorporate in my work here is again, energy is a big part of my work. Even if you're not getting a treatment of Reiki with me, you're still getting Reiki in your facial. You just coming to the spa, you already have Reiki.
I'm Shannon Toller. I'm a massage therapist here at Radiance Wellness Spa, and I'm also a recent Reiki practitioner. I've taken my training here at Radiance Wellness Spa with Tanya, and the experience has been really great. I love the fact that when you're working with Reiki, the first aspects of the process of experiencing the Reiki is all in the place of self-healing, because I feel like before we can work on others, we need to really work on ourselves. So I love that practice of the Reiki, in that we first start with our own clearing, our own cleansing before we work on the client. I feel like it develops a neutrality that's really helpful in all aspects of life.
I've always wanted to do Reiki therapy when I was a massage therapist back in the day. So now that I'm finally doing it, it feels so good to incorporate that into my work. Reiki energy is something that you just have to allow to come through. It took me a little bit to separate myself from that and just step aside and allow. And once it does come, it's a really great feeling of energy fluidity throughout myself, clear-minded. The buzzing sensation in my hands is also an indicator that I'm feeling the Reiki coming through, so that's really nice. And then to allow that to come through onto somebody else's field and help them in their healing process is also a major reason why I do it, to help others.
I really find that having Reiki as an additional tool to the work I'm doing is really beneficial for my clients. They can experience a greater sense of well-being and relaxation through the process. The process of working with the body physically through manual therapy as well as energy work just gives a very whole, well-rounded experience for my clients.
My name is Megan Van Vliet. I am an esthetician and a budding energy practitioner. I did my Reiki level 1 and 2 with Tanya, And I have to say that my experience has been profound. It's changed me completely in the sense of the way that I deal with my regular everyday stresses, which makes sense because that's what Reiki is meant to do. But where I used to have a very active mind and a lot of anxiety, I find that I'm now processing things in a much more seamless manner on a psychological as well as emotional level, which definitely helps you feel better about things that might pop up in as big or as small as they may be. From a professional level, as an esthetician, I definitely notice that it allows me to connect with my clients a lot more. It helps me kind of read the room in a way that maybe I wouldn't have earlier, to kind of get a sense for their energy so I can better service them when I am in treatment with them. And then just on a personal level, like being able to connect with them to help make them more comfortable and enjoy their service a lot more. Classes that I did with Tanya, they were amazing. The fact that they're small and they're one-on-one, I think, is really excellent. She's such a strong energy, and even during my attunements, I had really unique experiences in the sense of, like, I had my crown chakra blow open, I had visuals, and she was really awesome about helping me understand exactly what I was feeling in those moments and how to articulate it for myself so I could then attribute it to my further healing and digest it and then put it towards what I see for myself moving forward as I continue to practice individually in my own time.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. I didn't know what it was or what to expect at all, and experiencing Reiki and doing it yourself are two very different things, but at the same time very similar too. So receiving Reiki, it's very relaxing. You're in your zone of deep relaxation, and you feel the warmth hands going across, or maybe it's not even hands, maybe it's just the energy moving. But learning Reiki is especially with Tanya, I mean, it was so knowledgeable. We learned about Qigong and the background of where Reiki came from, and just an overall experience of what to expect when you're actually performing the treatment yourself. Even now talking about it, your hands become the vessel for this energy transfer, and to be able to do it, I mean, it's just amazing. So the process is very short, but very, like, time minutes wise is very short, but the process felt very lengthy in terms of, like, the transformation that happens in your body. It's life-changing, I would say.
So since we are all part of that energy and all those vibrations, we also have to be aware of the energies we exchange with others. And Reiki is a great tool to help to clear all those blocks and all those negative energies. And so it helps with everything. It helps with emotional wellness, it helps with physical wellness and physical health. And I invite you to give it a chance, read a little bit more on our website, Radiance Wellness Spa.com, and come here and meet Tanya, meet all of us, and looking forward to meet you all.
Please contact me if you would like to schedule a personal session with me or a class through Radiance Wellness Spa, and very excited to share this experience. Thank you, and have an amazing day.